Hi there. Are you trying to scale your AI initiatives but don't have all the required data? Are you having trouble gaining access to real data for testing ML models due to access restrictions and privacy concerns? How can you maneuver this privacy versus utility trade-off? Becoming more data-driven while having a strong data protection framework in place can go hand in hand. The answer is through synthetic data. Synthetic data is AI-generated data that possesses identical or nearly identical traits to your actual data sets. It is both an efficient and cost-effective way to train ML models to accurately perceive the world around them. Moreover, where historical data sets sometimes fail to deliver diversity, synthetic data delivers both diversity and quality without the hassle of gaining access to and curating actual data. So, without breaking any privacy or regulatory norms, training your ML models is indeed possible. If you also want to develop data-driven digital products with synthetic data, contact MTech Digital. We will help you balance out your synthetic data sets so they won't be too identical to the production data. With our suite of NLP, AI-driven analytics, and maintenance, you can also achieve insights propelling your business success forward only with MTech Digital. For more information, contact us now.